There's actually three different ways you can control the volume on your Android tablet. The most basic way is obviously to use the physical volume buttons. Most tablets will have a single button for locking and unlocking the tablet, and next to it you'll see the volume buttons. On mine, you'll see they're physically connected, so it sort of looks like one big button, but it's actually two buttons, one on each end. When I press the buttons, you'll see the volume indicator on the right side of my display. If you look closely, there's three small dots on top of the volume slider, and you can tap those dots to reveal more options. This brings up five individual volume sliders, and you can use these to adjust volume for media playback, your ringtone, notifications, system sounds, etc. It's a nice way to get a little more control over your tablet's sound and allows you to set certain things at a higher volume while keeping the less important stuff at a low volume or completely muted. If you don't want to always locate the physical buttons, you can also easily adjust volume through the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top right corner to reveal quick settings, and you'll see a slider for screen brightness and another for volume. The speaker button next to the volume slider allows you to mute the tablet with a single tap, and tapping it again will turn the sound back on. Another way to control all this is, of course, in your settings. Go to Settings and on the left side scroll to Sound. You'll get a sound on and a mute switch on the very top, and a whole lot of other sound-related settings. If you go to the volume menu, you'll see sliders for different types of sounds again, including your alarm. And that's how you master the volume controls on your Android tablet. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.